Welcome to Dragonfly Trading. My name is Carrie. I am a full-time trader and mentor in the crypto and Forex markets. Today's video is going to be an update on Bitcoin. Not financial advice, just my bias. All right, so I'm still having the free trial on the Discord. Come in, collaborate with us, trade with us, and I am sure you will stay. All right, let's get started. All right, so in my last video, we have gone over these counts many times, and it's coming to a head here where it's finally going to show us what its plans are. So let's talk about the bullish options first. The most bullish option is that we want this wave to the upside to not be a fifth wave. We want it to actually be a wave one and a pullback for a wave two. But coming underneath 21,366, right where this red line is, will invalidate that option. And this being a wave one and a wave two, which likes to find support on top of the prior third, will either be a wave one and two of a C wave to the upside or a third wave. If it is a third wave, when this is complete, it will pull back for a fourth, an additional fourth, come right into fourth wave territory, and then push up again for a fifth wave. Okay, so let's talk about the not so bullish option, but still very bullish, is that this 5-wave move is complete, that this was a fifth wave, and that it's put in an A wave or a wave one. That this is in the process of pulling back for a B wave or a wave two. It can totally fill the gap, but we do not want to come under 18,200, right where these wicks is. And I would rather stay on top of that to put in the wave B or two, and then push up for an additional 5-wave partner to put in that C wave or wave three. Now, if this wave is complete and it's coming down for a wave B or two, we are looking at approximately March 15th to March 22nd, minimum requirement for time for this correction to take place, meaning that that is the least amount of time that it should take. And then, of course, the bearish option is that we put in a flat here of 3, 3, and 5, and this is a C wave and it is complete. This will mean that this is an X wave and that we're coming down much deeper in a 3-wave pattern to give this prior correction its partner leg. All right, so let's get a little closer and talk about this wave. We want this to not be a fifth wave for the most bullish option, and that this wave is actually a wave one and is pulling back for a wave two, for a C wave or a third wave. It's coming deep enough already. It has wicked down into these bottom wicks. I would have rather have seen it stay on top, but it has not completely invalidated itself until it takes out 21,366. So this pivot that we currently have to the upside needs to be the start of something. Because if this was to make some kind of connector here, when this partner leg comes, probability-wise, it will take this low out. So like I said, if the fifth wave is in, we are looking for a B or a wave two, which means that we have a lot of correction to go. We can totally fill the gap. We just don't want to come under 18,100 right here where this wick is located. That would be bearish, and there would be no reason to go back through support just to flip it back to resistance. Okay, so let's talk about this correction a little deeper. Currently, I see this move to the downside as a 3-wave move. The question is this done? And is this the start of something? If this wave to the start is going to be the start of something, it needs to continue from where it is and not come into the blue line, which is at the top of this correction. When you have an impulse wave, your third wave is big enough with separation so that when it makes the fourth wave, it does not come into your wave one. So this wave needs to continue up to the 1.618, create a fourth wave, and then a fifth wave. If it fails to do that and one candle comes into 23,327 approximately at this correction high, it's going to invalidate this being the start of something. But if it's going to be an impulse wave, it has got to finish the 5 waves, third, fourth, fifth, and then give this one a third, fourth, and fifth. That is what we will need to see here to know that this market is turning in the direction that we want to see it turn. At this point, you would look for that pullback, not financial advice, but to take that long. Now, what if it is a corrective move and it's targeting the golden zone? What it would mean is that it's just an internal connector, and then when complete, this 3-wave move will get its partner leg that more than likely will break that 21,366. It will be the first leg to start our B or our wave 2 that we're hoping and expecting. All right, short and sweet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.